You know, people ask me all the time, what do salespeople do all day? Well, people think that they just sit around and do nothing, and that's not the case at all. They have to cultivate leads.
Will I sell 5 more cards this month? Not likely.
You got to have a professional demeanor, you got to be on social media.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. I mean, that might be doable. I don't know what time you have available to come in tonight. We're open until...
Dude, look at this video.
I'm going to have to let you go.
It's a Persian cat, man.
There's no Persia.
Trying to build their own business.
So, bro, this is how it's going to work. You put Bernie Sanders over here. Do you get it?
This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
Let's throw them after the sale.
Making follow-up calls.
Hey Gabe, it's Alondra. Yeah, I'm just calling to follow up on my hair appointment. Does Tuesday work for you? Perfect.
You know, greeting customers.
Hey, look, there's a customer. Go get him.
Corey. Not fam, it's Bijan's turn. I'm out.
Jan, go.
Wait, why am I going?
They're all working 24/7, and it's not just when they're here, it's also when they're at home. They have to keep trying to get older customers and keep trying to build that relationship with those people.
All right, Corey. You have a good night, my man.
Man, it's after 6 o'clock. You can wait till tomorrow.
I know my team, and they know what is expected. Nothing gets past me. I run the tightest ship around. Let me tell you, these guys are always working.